Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sofia the First's mermaid outfit and dress to impress. Removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is a lot. I used this hair in this color, 8A552C, no adjustments made, and then this hair, and only bangs in the first bang toggle in the same color. Put the Z position at 0.52. Then I used this hair in the same color and toggle it to only bangs, and select this hair in the same color, position the Y 0.6 to Z 0.59 and scale it to 0.30. For the top, she has like shells on her outfit. You do need VIP for this. Select these like new chains here in the second toggle, position the Y 0.91 and then scale it to 0.66. Color this color B19BFF and then FF71C1. For the outfit itself, we're going to use this top here in this color. I think I used in silk, then silk again, and then like a darker purple for that in silk. Might use glitter for that actually, in like a darker color here, 6B51A7, and then that same purple in silk. Then we are going to use just the plain mermaid tail here. In this purple color. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit more purple, like this maybe. And then for the second toggle, I'm going to use this color, B08BFF, and then blue, maybe this blue actually, 93F5FF. Then for the other part of the top, I'm going to use this without bow, undershirt, details, and lace, so just the gem. Color it the same in silk here, and then we're going to use the brighter purple, and then we're going to use this darker purple for the gem part. You can add like a bracelet like she's wearing and the crown, but I prefer it without. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!